Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you spend your money wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, comparing the SYMA Drone and the RADCLO Mini Drone. That's right, it's the battle of the flying gadgets. On my left, we have the SYMA Drone, aka the Sky King, and on my right, the RADCLO Mini Drone, aka the Tiny Titan. Let's see which one will make you the next aerial ace. First up, let's talk price. The SYMA Drone comes in at $99. It's like buying a ticket to the skies, but with a bit of a premium fee. Meanwhile, the RADCLO Mini Drone is a wallet-friendly $62. That's cheaper than a fancy dinner for two. So if you're looking to save some bucks and still take to the skies, RADCLO might just be your new best friend. Next, let's talk cameras. The SYMA Drone boasts a 1080p HD camera with FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission. It's like having a bird's eye view, without the risk of getting pooped on by a bird. On the other hand, the RADCLO Mini Drone also has a 1080p HD camera, but with a manually adjustable 90 degrees lens. It's like a tiny flying director shouting, "Zoom in, zoom out." Both offer stunning views, but SYMA's FPV feature gives it a slight edge for those who want to feel like they're flying right alongside their drone. Battery life is a biggie. The SYMA Drone promises up to 40 minutes of flying time with its two powerful batteries. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show while your drone does all the hard work. The RADCLO Mini Drone, however, offers 22 minutes of flight time with its two 800 mAh batteries. Not bad, but you might want to keep an eye on the clock if you're planning a long aerial adventure. So if endurance flying is your game, SYMA takes the crown. Now, how easy are these bad boys to fly? The SYMA Drone has headless mode, altitude mode, and a one-key takeoff/land function. It's so user-friendly, even your grandma could pilot it. The RADCLO Mini Drone isn't far behind with its stable altitude hold, one-key takeoff landing, and a plethora of functions like high-speed rotation and circle fly. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Both are beginner-friendly, but RADCLO's variety of tricks might just make it the more entertaining choice for newbies. And finally, let's check out the bonus features. The SYMA Drone comes with Optical Flow Positioning for better stability and propeller guards for added protection. It's like having a drone with its own bodyguard. RADCLO, on the other hand, includes a carrying case, spare fan blades, and a full accessory kit. Plus, it offers a 24-hour technical support and a money-back guarantee. It's like having a drone that comes with its own personal assistant. Reviewers have praised the SYMA Drone for its durability, ease of use, and strong obstacle avoidance features, making it perfect for beginners and young pilots. On the other hand, the RADCLO Mini Drone has been appreciated for its affordability, ease of setup, and the fun it provides for family bonding, although it struggles with wind and has a shorter battery life. So which drone should you choose? If you're looking for longer flight times and a stable flying experience, go with the SYMA Drone, the Sky King. But if you want more bang for your buck with a ton of cool features and a lower price, the RADCLO Mini Drone, the Tiny Titan, is your best bet. Either way, you can't go wrong. Thanks for watching, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.